Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new 4SR Racing Airbag Ready one-piece race suit. Okay, the Racing Airbag Ready suit from 4SR retails for $1299.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's take a dive into sizing, buddy.
So sizing, this is a 38-48. It honestly fits pretty well. Kind of fits similar to the last video I did with the Diablo. I am 5'11", 150 pounds, and yeah, fits pretty good. I can ride it right now.
This suit includes a chest and back protector. We're going to talk more about that, but for a sizing reference, that stuff is all in there. Comparing this to the Diablo, the cut of this is maybe a little slimmer. In areas. A little tighter in the lower leg, and it's a little tighter in the chest.
And I will say in the forearms, just a little bit too.
Based on what I see here, this would easily break in and be the appropriate size for you.
Yeah.
The suit is airbag ready. It will accept the Alpinestars Tech Air Race or the Alpinestars Tech Air 5. If you have a different vest that is self-contained, it could go under that as well. For the Tech Air Race, it has the provision to accept the LED harness, which will need to be purchased separately from Alpinestars. You'll have to add that in if you want to use the Tech Air Race. This is a good product. This is a really good product. We added to the website because of our experience seeing 4SR used at the Moto America events. I think it was the Disrupt team for sure was in it.
Disrupt, a few others. Getting popular.
And, you know, bikes get crashed. And the stuff held up great. It really protected the riders. We got to meet the people that own 4SR here in the USA, the distribution for it. Good people. It's a good fit. This really reminds me of some of the RST stuff. Tremendous value is provided here, right? And performance, value, and protection is something that we strive for, have good options for you all, and I think this makes a lot of sense in our catalog. So, protection. This is one area where 4SR really separates themselves from all the competition. This suit ships with level 1 certified armor in the shoulders, level 2 in the elbow and forearm, level 2 in the knee and shin, level 1 armor in the hips and in the tailbone, level 1 armor in the chest. Go ahead and show them there's a full chest protector. It's removable, right? You don't want to use it. You can just pull it out. And a level 2 back protector that is in a pocket, super easy to use, plenty of protection. Realistically, no need to upgrade that. If you're not going to use the airbag, you take this thing off the hanger and you use it as it sits and you have tons of protection. If you're going to use either one of the airbags that we talked about, the Alpinestars units both offer their own back protection. You would need to, at a minimum, take out the back protector insert.
And you may need to take out the chest protector.
Correct, depending on the amount of room you have left in the suit. 1.2 millimeter cowhide is used throughout the suit. Double layers of leather are used in all the key impact zones. They go through some pretty stringent abrasion resistance testing. Some of that marketing that we got from 4SR is on our website. Take a look at that. It is definitely interesting. Safety stitching. Everybody uses safety seams. They're going a little bit further, right? They have examples where they've stitched 4 rows of stitching, 3 rows of stitching, which is kind of that next level from what we see from other quality brands. External shoulder sliders, external elbow sliders. That puck is replaceable. I got a little motion panel here in the elbow. Tons of perforation. Fully perf torso starts up here at the shoulders. Some localized perf in the arms. As you move down the suit, fully perfed upper leg, large motion panel at the knee, exterior knee protector stitched over the suit, replaceable knee puck. You want to spin around, buddy?
Yep.
This hump is hollow. It can hold a hydration pack. There's a pass-through up here at the top. If that's a feature that you want to add, you can easily do that. It has a little loop up here to hold the hose as well. Massive motion panel. It starts up here at the neck, comes all the way down the side, wraps around to the front of his waist, and then intersects with the one here horizontally across your waist. That is going to be for airbag deployment as well as mobility while you're on the motorcycle. This helps the race suit move around with relative ease, right? All the real good high-end stuff has tons of motion panels like we're seeing here, and it pays tremendous benefit to the rider for sure. Inside the suit, we've got some other features and benefits that we can cover a little bit better in the second part of this video when we get the suit off max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go, the 4SR Racing Airbag Ready suit from the inside out. This suit comes with a complete complement of armor. It is ready to roll, okay? Level 1 CE certified chest armor. You can see they have it perforated, so it maintains a lot of the cooling properties you're going to already enjoy with the perforated leather panels on the suit. Level 1 CE armor for your hip. This is backed up with some memory foam on the other side. We're going to show you that when we get a little deeper into the suit. Level 1 in the shoulder. Level 1 in the tailbone. Level 2 in the elbow forearm, as well as the knee and shin. And level 2 in the back protector. And I only pulled half of the armor out, right? It's the other arm and the other knee and shin is all still in there. Look at all these pieces, man. This is all included with the suit. Literally, like I said earlier, pull this thing off the peg and you're race ready. You're ready to go. You don't need to add anything to it. If you choose to add the airbag, right, what most people are going to do if you're using the Alpinestars system, it comes with a back protector, whether it's a Tech Air 5 or it's a Tech Air Race. You put that underneath here, you're going to want to for sure pull out the back protector. Some riders, if there's enough room in the suit, will still ride with the chest protection in place. You have the option of doing that. But if you're using either one of the Alpinestars systems we noted, you're going to want to go ahead and pull the back protector out. The suit itself, 1.2 millimeter cowhide. They have had this stuff tested, and it, per 4SR, it passes to a very, very high standard, right? So they're kind of checking all the boxes for you. The race hump is hollowed out, and it's ready to accept a hydration bag. If you choose to add that, there is your pass-through right there. Little stretch fabric used up here in the base of the neck. Very large stretch panels done in leather. This is key for mobility, comfort, and also airbag deployment. You can see it starts up here at the neck, comes all the way down the side, and it intersects with the one that crosses the back of your waist. We've got segmented perforation back here. 2 layers of leather are used in the seat, the elbows, forearms, and the hip area, right? Maximum abrasion resistance from this suit. More segmented perforation down here, back of the thigh. Look at the stretch fabric that's used here in the crotch area. This is all good quality Aramid stuff. It's all, look at the safety stitching. It's all safety stitched. This is one seamless piece for additional comfort. Get to the front of the suit. Integrated external shoulder slider is going to work in conjunction with the shoulder armor that I showed you a little bit earlier. Got a motion panel here in the elbow. You've got a replaceable elbow slider. Large panels of leather are used throughout this suit. That just is the safest way to do it. It's the most durable way as well. If you want to add the Alpinestars Tech Air Race system, it comes with the ability to accept the LED harness. That is something you're going to have to pick up independently directly from Alpinestars. The cuff is finished with comfort fabric lined on the inside, locking zipper. Get to the front of the suit up here in the chest. Tremendous perforation all the way from the top of the shoulders all the way down to your waist. You can see how the stretch paneling on the sides of the suit rolls all the way over into the sides of your ribs actually. Tremendous mobility is offered by doing that. This is another unique feature that 4SR has added. You see this little snap right here? You attach your zipper, say you're at a track day, right? You unzip your suit, get it off your shoulders, and you want to keep it up in between sessions. You attach that snap, it keeps the zipper from going down any further, so that way the suit will not fall off. It'll stay above your butt the entire time. Inside the suit, there is a 3D spacer fabric that is used right here. The back protector insert is on the other side of this, the back side. So you're going to be able to maintain a pocket of air between your body and the protector. It just works to keep it cooler and a little bit more comfortable. This suit includes all the necessary attachments for the Tech Air Race. If you choose not to use that, it's not a problem at all. You just pick up a lot of additional benefit in terms of mobility with the suit because it has all the stretch paneling to allow for airbag deployment. The liner of the suit itself is fixed and non-removable. Some people look at that as a disadvantage. Personally, I can tell you, I have never, in all the years that I've done this, and we're talking decades now, I've never pulled a liner out and washed it. Even when Max is racing, those suits that he's a teenage boy, they get pretty gnarly. What we do is we hang it up on one of those hang dry, air circulating hangers that we have in between sessions. And what that does is that really helps to keep the stench away, if you will, right? I recommend picking one of those up. If you're looking to take care of your suit, you don't really need to have a removable liner to wash because that doesn't do much because you're not addressing the leather itself. By using a hanger like that, you're drying it a little bit quicker. In long term, it is much better for the product itself. Accessing the armor. And there's also a little pocket in here for a lap timer. There's 2 zips here on either side to get any of the armor in the top of the suit, the shoulder, the elbow, the tailbone, the hip armor. You can just zip that open, get right in there. This suit includes this pocket here for a lap timer. Drop it right down in there. Sure, I don't know how practical that is or isn't. I guess I've never tried to ride with the lap timer in the suit. I think most of us kind of mount it to the bike. If you're going to use the hydration pack, that slides right in here in the hollowed out race hump. Safety seams. On this suit, we're talking triple stitched, and even in certain places, it is quadruple stitched. I think they're the only manufacturer I know of that's doing that. The hip armor is using a combination of that piece that we showed you, along with, let me see if I can pull this out a little bit. There is a pretty large panel of energy absorbing foam used right here. Got to see the cutout for mobility. That other piece of armor that is CE certified goes on the other side of this to really bolster protection in that area. Leg of the suit, tons of perforation in the upper thigh. Good size motion panel here in the knee. External knee protector is stitched on over the leather. Of course, replaceable knee pucks. Stretch fabric is used all the way down to the termination of the suit at the ankle to access the knee armor. If you want to pull that out or adjust it in any way, simply unzip down here at the calf. This is not fixed to the liner of the suit. Just reach inside there, your armor's right there, readily accessible. If you want to adjust it, remove it for cleaning, you can easily do it through that access point. What do we think? This provides tremendous value without sacrificing quality at all. They've done a lot of great things here. Top shelf materials are used. The armor complement that comes with it is basically unmatched in the industry. It is complete, ready to ride, ready to race as it sits without adding anything on, and all that for the current retail price of $12.99. Tremendous value, right? There's some bigger name brands out there that cost significantly more. You're sacrificing nothing with this. We've seen their suits in the paddock for the last couple of years, right? Been there racing and track day riding and participating is a great way to learn a lot about the products that we offer. We're doing that at the highest level here in the US now. This stuff has performed great, right? Just like the RST stuff that we're riding in now too. It's performed great. Tremendous value from both of these brands. This one really belongs in our catalog too, and we're happy to be offering it to you all from now forward. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.